Hi guys, today I'm here to introduce you gaming microphone set. This one is the cheapest in the town. It's include premium microphone boom, pop shield filter and internal microphone shocks mounting. And what it says, Anko gaming microphone set, Cardioid pickup microphone to minimize background noise and highlight vocals, supports high quality 192 KHZ 24-bit recording, perfect for podcasting, game streaming, Skype calls, YouTube or music recording, supports Windows 7, 8, 10 or later, and having USB connectivity. So let's see what's inside and then I will tell you how to set up. So let's see what's inside. Air filter, pop filter, instruction manual, USB cable, microphone itself, microphone mount, clamp and moving rod. Now how to assemble it. And now after shock mounting, we will set up this microphone. Now we will connect USB cable. Now this end of the USB cable female port will go to microphone and this will go to your computer. Now air filter, and now we will fix the clamp. And now we will attach pop filter. So guys, our setup is done. So you can see mic is ready to go. Now what you have to do, you have to just connect other port of the USB cable to your laptop and it will be plug and play. Thanks guys. If you have liked my video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.